This GMT Family First Community segment is sponsored by Baylor, Scott & White.
A big family-friendly event focused on health, wellness, and community is happening right here in Dallas. And it's all about helping people live healthier, happier lives. The Baylor Scott & White Health and Wellness Center is hosting its annual Health and Fitness Festival and Expo. And guess what, you guys? You are invited. Here to tell us so much more is Venita Owens, the president of the center, and Dr. Lydia Best, who is the medical director. And I have to throw in there also a champion since she went to Michigan. Congratulations to you. Good morning to you both.
Good morning. Good morning.
So glad to have you guys here. So, Venita, I'm coming to you first. If you can, share with us the background of the Baylor Scott & White Wellness Center and what you guys have going on there.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us. The Baylor Scott & White Health and Wellness Center is a public-private partnership between Baylor University Medical Center and the City of Dallas Parks and Recreation Centers. We were established in 2010 as a way to address the prevalence of diabetes in the southern sector of Dallas. And since then, we've been around for 16 years, providing preventative services throughout the community.
My goodness. Okay, so can you give us a little bit of history behind the Health and Fitness Festival and Expo? Why is it so important to the community?
It's very important. It's our signature fundraiser, and this is an opportunity for us to showcase our programs and services so that the community members can come and find out ways of how they can improve their health.
Yes. Okay, so what's going to be going on out there? What can we expect at the Festival and Expo?
A lot. We will have kids activities, adult activities, free screenings, food. We will have WFAA personalities, Greg Fields and Rebecca Lopez in attendance. A lot going on, like I said, free foods, free screenings, and so you don't want to miss it.
Yeah, it sounds like it's going to be a family-friendly event. Everybody
Absolutely.
can come out and hang out, but also get the knowledge you need to put your health first. So you also have something going on. It's called the Walk with a Doc program. What exactly is that, and what do you get out of it?
So Walk with a Doc was started in 2005 by a cardiologist who wanted to help people incorporate physical activity in their everyday lives. So the idea is simple. We walk. And as we walk together, patients can talk with physicians in a calm, relaxed environment outside the exam room.
You know, I like that because there's a ton of people who are afraid to go to the doctor just simply off of the space. And so it's so nice to be able to do it, like you said, in a safe space where we can get all of our feelings out without feeling the pressure of what's around us. And so if you could, can you also talk about the need for medical services in our community? What are you seeing at the clinic right now?
Well, the need is very great. So we have a lot of patients with chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and kidney disease. In fact, in the zip code where our center is located, diabetes affects almost 20% of adults compared to 13% across Dallas County.
Wow.
And hypertension and obesity affect almost half the patients and the population in our zip code versus 1/3 across Dallas County.
You said you were in the southern part of Dallas, right?
Correct.
Okay,
we're near Fair Park.
We need to be leaning in and listening right now because of the simple fact that we don't talk about this a ton in the African American culture, putting our health first, how we change our eating habits. And so this is, like I said, another way to have a safe space to get that out and say, listen, maybe we need to start changing the way we look at our health and our habits that we do every single day. And so how can the community get involved with you guys? How can we continue to push the mission forward? What do you guys need at the center?
Well, we need individuals to come and join our center. Our clinic is accepting new patients, and all they have to do is show up at one of our facilities, take a risk assessment, which is very important because we want to join individuals on their journey to becoming well. We have the programs and services that will help in this effort. So all they have to do is show up and we'll take it from there.
Very, very good. Okay, it sounds like a personalized plan for literally everyone. All you have to do is just be honest and bring the information. It sounds like you guys are there to help, which is so exciting. So if you heard something that you like and you're thinking, okay, I'm ready to lean in and walk with a dog, the Health and Fitness Festival and Expo is happening this Saturday, you guys. Mark your calendars. It's from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the location that's on your screen right there. To learn so much more, visit bswhealth.com and search Health and Fitness Festival and Expo. Thank you guys for being here this morning.